This is the last of my cucumber harvest for the season because the heat has really burnt out all the leaves in this area. It's time to clean up this cucumber bed area and get this bed ready for some more of my fall garden crops. I think I'm gonna put my collard greens I normally grow over here. Let me get this bed cleaned out of the cucumbers and get my fall garden bed together with my collard greens. Cucumbers, you did good this season. We harvest a lot of cucumbers. Wonderful harvest of cucumbers this season. Let's get busy cleaning out this garden bed. Okay, I pretty much have this garden bed area cleaned out. Took all the cucumbers up. Now I'm going to add some more compost and fertilizer in this garden bed area and get ready to sow my fall collard green bed area. Still have some bell peppers growing up here along with all this basil. I see y'all turning orange color. Okay. Okay, I see your bell peppers. Come on and grow. Okay, I got the bed cleaned all out over here where I once had the cucumbers. Now it's gonna be for my collard greens to grow. Sowed all the seeds. Just gotta wait for them to grow.